rolling.
That's why we called you. Elad, that's why you're here.
I think she can get out of it.
It was too fast. I don't think I would have gotten out of this one.
So less pop. Good problem to have.
No, but that's good. One time less, one time over.
A little.
Almost there.
Yep, you got it.
One more.
Bird?
Do it one more.
One more like this?
Yeah, because you were almost there.
My bad.
But it was the right
I got a couple
size.
on video too, so we have proof.
Don't post that shit in Facebook.
But it was good, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's great.
I would like to try this as well.
Yes, then
We did it almost in the...
You know, the only reason I'm happy, pal, because there's someone who farts as much or maybe more than me, so, you know.
Face. I love how it's loud. I love this fire. I love this face.
It's actually a good
Okay, thanks, Sandy.
Yeah, do you feel good or is
No, it's feeling super good. Let's try from bird.
I don't know.